is my Hoover H-Wash 300 with brand new shock absorbers. Yes, I did them. Finally, no more bouncing like hell. Now, the tube behaves like a real Hoover. Look at this. It goes like a real Hoover, like, you know. Instead of going up and down, it goes side to side. It's beautiful. Whoa. Dude, it behaves like a real Hoover. Can't even believe how realistic this is. It makes concrete way. It's like a H-wash and dry. You know that one, dude. Which had Mr. 101. The one that he had. Look at that, how violent this machine gets. The whole desk is actually swinging. Whoa. Whoa, Jesus. Oh, stop drop. Whoa, that was creepy. Rebalancing. Well, that was very unbalanced. Well, this is